In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer for Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Password type trainer and click on OK. Open the extracted folder, double click on this application and select Yes option. Select this music icon to mute the music. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt Tab key to open up this trainer. Press in numlock key to turn on the numlock and now enable the options in numlock. Press 1 for infinite health. Press 2 in the numpad for infinite ammo and arrows. Press 3 for no reload. Once you're done pressing these options and enable, press the Alt tab to get back to the game. To try this, as you can see, the ammo saw changed to 999 and there is no reload and the trainer is working. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.